Now, the second question you need to ask yourself is why? Why do I want this habit? But when your emotions are wired into the actions, then you have answered the question why. Why do I want to develop this habit of reading? That is very important. If you are able to answer the question why, it is going to sustain you in being able to develop this good habit. Therefore, going back to my question, is cycle a blessing or a curse? I solely believe that cycle can either be a blessing or a curse. It depends on which side you are on. For instance, I just gave you a scenario of how you can use cycle as a blessing to develop good habits. On the other hand, if you are unconsciously repeating an action that is detrimental to your life, then cycle is going to become a curse, because you just use the same principle to develop a bad habit. Because if you have to stop it, then you have to come to the realization of using the cycle as a blessing in developing a good habit. Don't let cycle become a curse for you. Use the principle of cycle as a method and a blessing for your life. By tuning in to understand the consciousness of your actions per day, on daily basis, every time, repeatedly. And when you repeat your actions, you already know that you are already employing the services of your subconscious mind. And when you employ the services of your subconscious mind receives the feeds from your conscious mind. And when you receive these feeds from your conscious mind, it doesn't argue with your conscious mind. It doesn't say if it is good or bad. As long as it is repeated on your conscious mind, your subconscious mind receives these feeds, and then it becomes part of you. Guess what? You and I are product of repetition. How do I mean? We are product of cells, repeated cells that have formed your system. Aggregation of cells form tissues. Aggregation of tissues form organs. Aggregation of organs form a system in human body. And so, we are made up of millions of cells, millions of repeated cells. Your mind is not in your head. Your mind is all over your body, just like the cells are all over your system. That is why the language of the subconscious mind is repetition.